How to exit game in Slotomania step by step. If you are on Slotomania and wondering how to exit the game safely without losing your progress, then here is how you do it. First of all, launch open your Slotomania game on your device, and if you are playing a game right now, go ahead and tap on the arrow button at the top left corner from the slot page. You will then be able to get to the home screen of Slotomania game. From the home screen, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right corner and click settings. You'll then come across the settings menu. Make sure that you are logged in to your account. If yes, you'll be able to see your account details at the top. Now once you log in like this, you can then go ahead and cross out this menu and simply go ahead and drag from the downwards of the screen, and from the app switcher, force close the app. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to exit Slotomania super easily. When you open Slotomania again, your progress should be intact if synced. That is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.